Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go live on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application, and then you need to swipe right, and in the bottom you can see story, reel. You simply need to scroll and you are on the live tab, and then you need to click on audience. So here you can see public, anyone can watch and your followers will be notified. But if you want to do practice, you simply need to click on practice and click on set audience. And after that you need to go live by clicking on that button. So it is checking connection. So I am now live. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.